It's Riego Castillo. I'm the 4th grade magnet teacher here in Salt Lake. When I hit high school, I just had certain teachers who almost took the love away from learning. If there was a student in a class who wanted a teacher to inspire them, I wanted to be that teacher. After teaching for about 20 years, I noticed that the interactive whiteboard had not changed. It wasn't until I came across the Vibe board. The Vibe board offered everything I was looking for, but with ease of use. With math, I'm easily able to pull up a blank canvas board. I'll also be able to pull up some of the other platforms like iReady or iExcel. For language art, they're able to see their vocabulary words, copy it, put it right onto the canvas, and they can share and then pull up anytime they want. One thing that the kids absolutely love is I've been able to use AI, so sometimes they'll just raise their hand, ask Cleopatra questions in first person, and then Cleopatra would come back and respond. When it comes to how much I use this compared to how much my students use it, 75% them, 25% me. I always ask my students, like, on a scale of 1 to 5, how would you rank it? They'll give me double 5s. They're always asking to use it. You could just see their enthusiasm, their excitement, their engagement for learning take off. It kind of brought fun back into learning. And then when they present on here, grab their iPads or their laptops, having the students see their progress in real time. Our school is starting to use the Vibe board in a lot of different locations. Oftentimes I have presenters and they want to present their PowerPoint, so I'll bring this out there. They absolutely love it, asking me questions. How are you able to do this wireless casting? How is it so easy? The librarian is using, as soon as she got it, she absolutely loves it, raving about it, telling other teachers about it. Vibe is the only one tangible, integral part of learning in my classroom. It'll help with academic scores, it'll help with classroom culture, it'll help with behavior. It's just a more modern, forward-thinking approach to learning and teaching. By the end of the year, we've seen that their scores have increased and even surpassed state and district scores. If you're looking to engage your students in a fun way and then helping them learn how to become self-autonomous learners, get the Vibe.